Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can enable direct checkout in your WordPress WooCommerce website. So for example, if customer go here and try to add to cart, then he will be redirected to the checkout page. So let's see how we can do that. We can use this one. This is the plugin Shop Blender. So you can use and type here Shop Blender. You can install this plugin, but for the premium plugin you can go and upload the plugin file. Here you can go and select the plugin file. So if I go here and here I have this one, and then let's go back to the plugin settings, click on modules, then scroll down. Here you can find out redirect to the checkout, then click on save settings. Now let's see if I copy this product link and view here. Now if I scroll down and select this product, then click on add to cart. Now here you can see it is directly redirected to the checkout page instead of cart page.